Okay, so the next problem we have is integral of cot square x divided by cosecant square x plus cosecant x, right? So it is very simple. First of all, we can write cot square x as cosecant square x minus 1 divided by, I can take common here from cosecant x, I can take common. So I will left with cosecant x plus 1 and dx is there, right? In the numerator, if you see carefully, it is looking like the form of 1 can be written as 1 square, so this can be written as a square minus b square, and that is nothing but a plus b into a minus b. So I can write into the form of cosecant x plus 1 and multiplied by what? Cosecant x minus 1 dx divided by, here I am writing cosecant x plus 1, correct? No? This cosecant x plus 1 will cancel. So I will only left with what? Cosecant x. I will left with cosecant x minus 1 divided by cosecant x. Right? So now the two terms in the numerator we have cosecant x minus 1. So I can separate it by like this. Cosecant x divided by the denominator is what? Cosecant x minus 1 by cosecant x, and here it is dx, correct? No? So cosecant x upon cosecant x, this will become 1 upon cosecant x can be written as sin x. So finally we have to integrate what? We have to find the integral of 1 minus 1 upon cosecant x is what? Sin x and dx. And now it becomes very simple. We can integrate 1 as x minus, this will become minus of cos x plus c. So this can be finally written as x plus cos x plus c. Correct? So this is the final answer.